Hi guys, Blake here from Bad Tree Productions.
And Jabo here from the same place.
Anyway, we're just making a real quick short video for you guys about tomorrow's live question and answer segment that we're going to be hosting on Twitch. So to be able to view that, if you have a smartphone, tablet, computer, whatever, you got to go to your Google Play, Apple, Share, whatever it is, and download Twitch, create a handle. That way you can type a question to us while we're live streaming. We'll have Jabo here, Jeremy, and Uncle Ty, and we'll be right here in the homemade sim rig doing some iRacing. We'll be taking turns, drinking a couple wobbly pops.
I reckon, yeah. Mm-hmm.
And answering all your questions.
Right. While we're racing a car and trying to focus on that and not wreck. So it'll be kind of like Stump the Chumps. Right?
Tyler has a hard enough time
Focusing,
you talking to him in real life.
Right.
So this should be pretty entertaining.
It'll be kind of funny.
So this is what I worked on for 6 hours yesterday. We got the picture GoPro. I had to download a driver for it. Took a long time to figure that out. We got the new editing computer. The sim rig is basically $20 and 2x4s, a seat out of one of Jeremy's old Ford trucks, and an old Gray Thursday 50-inch TV. That was like $200.
Yeah. A little overkill, but whatever.
Yeah. So we'll have that fired up over there to be reading the questions. We'll have somebody in the cockpit with their headset on because they need to be listening to the audio and people in game talking. And we'll be reading your questions from that and asking this guy to answer them. Or you can ask us while we're sitting around the table drinking beer.
Right.
So
Yeah. It should be fun, I think.
yeah.
I don't know.
So we hope to see you there. So again, Saturday night, 6:30ish, we'll go live, and we'll do it until the beer's gone, or until you guys don't even show up to watch, and it is a big fail, and we just drink beer and talk to each other.
Right.
So I think it'll be all right. We'll have a couple people show up.
Yep. Hope to see you there.
All right.
Should be fun.
And again, guys, we're at 443 subscribers right now.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That is awesome. Thank you so much.
Yep, sure appreciate it.
So whoever stumbles across this. Oh, and if you're not a member of the Facebook page, I guess I accidentally made a Twitch account a couple years ago. It's under Blake JB32. So type that into Twitch and that's how you're going to find it. And then you'll see all the Bad Tree Production stuff. So, again, hope to see you there. Have a good night.